Hello, guys. Welcome back to The Voice. It Matters. I know it's kind of late. It is late. It's after 11 o'clock. My car. Speaking about my car, my family, my cousin, he's a mechanic. So this little minor stuff I need to done and I'm like, look, I'm already patient, and then I had already had like a Bible study on Zoom, Bible study meeting on Zoom tonight, which was at 7:15. It started at 7:30, but I was going to be on about 7:15. So guys, I hope your day has been going well. You had a wonderful Wednesday. Yes, I hope your day has been going wonderful, great Wednesday. I just been totally busy, and it's a good thing, guys. Like I say, you keep yourself so busy, you don't have room for nothing negative in your life, okay? Guys, I was trying to think of something, for dinner for tomorrow, meal for tomorrow. But, I'm trying to, it's getting warm, and I love seafood, but I don't want to really be eating seafood all the time. So I was trying to think of what I was going to cook tomorrow. Whatever it is, it's going to be something minor. And then I'm trying to do some, like I said, some new things. I'm going to start doing the smoothies, like the greens, different greens and vegetables, basic vegetables and different things like that. I'm going to try that because, like I said, it's getting warm. That's how you feel about that pollen. That pollen been falling. But I'm looking forward to the summer. It's okay already, but I have a lot of things that's planned, on the agenda. So, just keeping the spring, spring slash summer. I'll cross that bridge when I get there. But I'm looking forward to a wonderful spring and summer. I have a lot of things on the agenda, down on listed. So that's whatever. Good to have. You have planned. It's okay, to plan and set goals and write them down. Piece by piece, day by day, step by step. It's okay. It's fine. It's okay. So I'm looking forward to that. Like I was speaking about that pollen. That pollen is falling. Okay. It's falling, but actually it rained a little bit down here. It supposed to be like thunderstorms, but it wasn't too bad. It was just a little rain here and there. But they speaking about tomorrow. We'll see. We'll see about that. We'll see. Yes, I had to get me a ginger ale. Okay. Give me a water. I said, I'm gonna get this ginger ale. I started getting. We get that belch, Yeah. So, guys, like I was saying, I hope the day was wonderful. It just seemed like Monday was just here. It's already weekend. Tomorrow the weekend is already here. Okay. We in the month of March. March is about to be. Guys, you see my bird clock? I was speaking about that today after this evening, actually. After Bible study and fellowship afterwards and everything. And I was talking about that bird clock because I said my mom, she still had, but she moved her clock. My stepdad had got her that clock, and I loved it because each hour, the birds go off. My stepdad got that. So every hour, my daughter was complaining about it. So now the clock, which is set wrong, I got to set it. Put the hour up, which I forgot I had to set the hour up. But actually, it don't. The clock work, but the sound for the birds, it don't work. So it's something somebody done did to my clock. Okay. Oh, somebody did something by clock. It don't make the sound for the birds, okay? I'm like, come on now, really? So, yeah, you know, so something that somebody did. You want to hear it. You want to hear the bird. You know, so guys, I'm getting ready to get off. I just come out here to show y'all some love, say some encouraging words, you know. Continue to keep on pushing, you know. Whatever it is, you know, continue to try to look forward on what's best for you. And guys, remember to subscribe and to leave for you. Tell a friend to tell a friend, because what's not for you can be for someone else. I might seem like I'm a little corny a little bit, okay? Might be a little corny. Guess what? Somebody may like that corny. So what you don't like, somebody else will. Some nigga is corny lady over there. Be speaking, she be having, she okay? Yes, I do. And just, you know, like, subscribe, but please leave it peaceful. So comment, but please leave it peaceful, okay? I'm dragging along tonight. That's because I'm tired. I really am. You know, and I don't like to complain, so I will take that. I don't like. I just say I'm tired, but I don't like. You know, so it's like I'm sounding like that's because I'm tired. You know, but I'm not the type of person that complain. You know, I don't like to complain. You know, complain, excuse me, is something that I do not like to do is to complain. You know, always be worse. You know, so again, to show you guys. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna be ahead of one just like I said. And you have a wonderful good night. Okay, get you some good rest, and you know, be ready for tomorrow. You know, okay. Y'all have a wonderful good night. Good night, and remember to like, subscribe, comment, but please, please, please give me